Hi, I'm Hemanta Mainali. I'm currently working at AstraZeneca as Global Study Manager. I completed Clinical Trials Management Program from Western Continuing Studies in 2018. I completed my undergrad from Kathmandu University, Nepal in biotechnology. I started my master's at Western in 2011 in Western biology. Once I graduated, I worked in various research labs at Western. In 2016, I came across a Clinical Trials Management Program at Western Continuing Studies. I have always been fascinated and curious about how the discovery at the lab mixed to the self in the pharmacy. And when I came across that program, then that basically further triggered me to do a bit deeper dive into that journey. And I felt like that really connects with what I really wanted to do, where I wanted to be part of scientific discovery and foster the scientific growth by contributing whatever that I could from my end. I'm currently working at AstraZeneca as Global Study Manager, where I do clinical research, clinical trials for AstraZeneca, and I oversee the global operation of the clinical research at AstraZeneca.